Hello, it's Ronnie Ahmed. Now I'm going to demonstrate a complete automation workflow that is the data collection from a API source and store in the database. And another one is monitor the email actually for the customer query. Okay. So first one, here you can see there's the first workflow, which is actually for the collect data from a API source and then filter out the unnecessary info and store it on the Airtable. Okay, so here you can see that all the data has been stored. And here, just to mention that I have also completed the pagination here to just make sure that yes, all things, all the data has been come up or not. Okay, and the next workflow is to monitor the email actually. So it's basically just to respond based on the customer query. It's a system, so it will always monitor the incoming emails, and then it will just filter out the unnecessary emails. Some like it's not always the customer query. There should be some general emails, so it will just filter out by monitoring the email subject by those keyword actually. So it will just filter out the unnecessary emails and just only pass the unnecessary or the customer query email into this model. This actually used for data extraction. Actually, on the email, the data can be on a different type of structure because as the customer is the human, it's rare they can follow a unique style. So that's why here we have implemented the um, OpenAI API just to gather all the necessary information on what you need. As you can see, after gathering the information, I just format the information like the request type, what type of request is this, it's an order or it's an issue or something. The product ID, it's the order, then what products it just need, and what's the delivery, something else. Okay, the customer details, etc. And then it will just check. It means that the email query, the customer query, has the necessary information or not, like the product name or product ID. Because if there is no product name or ID, then we can. It's not meaning to store it onto our system. So it just then if it's not present, then it will just raise the error. Here you can see stop and error. So here it will trigger here. It's a global error system. So it will just text us on a Telegram bot that yes, there is the error on this email. So we can look just go to manually check for the issues on the email, and we can contact with the customer. Or if it passed all the criteria, then it will just look up the database what we just previously created here, our product database, actually main database. It will just look forward for the uh, actual product, just to search the price or something other is we have. You can see we have those type of data on the database, so price and category. So when it's a match, then it just add on the Monday task, just created a uh, new task that yes, there is a query from the customer to have a look. And if we can see that yes, the customer required for query product is not into our database, then it will also trigger an error, that is that product not found in the database, so that we can manually check why its product is not available, for the issues actually. And the last one, that is the email system, notification system actually for the automation. Like it's an automation, so we need to know if there is an error or something, some this kind of error or any kind of other errors. So we need to know. So that's why I have implemented another workflow, which is actually trigger a Telegram notification, so that we can further check the manual intervention or what to resolve the issue or resolve the error. So that's it about the project. If you have any queries or something, just let me know. Thank you.